Hola mi amigos, NASCAR Racing 18 here. Here we have a NASCAR diecast from the Action Line Out Collectibles. We have Daniel Suarez's Trackhouse Racing Commscope car. Well, it's 2021 version of it. Let's get Daniel Suarez out of his box. Yeah. Gee, man, I really don't like these boxes. Because we try to get them out of the box. So I have to remain quiet for a long time. Finally, we got Daniel Suarez. So, Trackhouse Racing is Daniel Suarez's new team. And Trackhouse Racing is co-owned by Justin Marks and famous singer and rapper, I think, is Pitbull. Which I have no information about Pitbull. So, Trackhouse Racing has the number 99, which Daniel Suarez runs. So, we have Commscope as one of his sponsors. So, on top, we have an orange 99 with a black line through both nines. And the same goes for the side, except the numbers are white. So, obviously, it starts out with a green, then a blue, then a dark blue, purple, pink, and orange color. So, Commscope, I think, is an online, something to do with online, like now meets next. I feel like that's like a job opening for finding a job. On the other side is the same thing as well. Now he drives a Chevy Camaro, which is a good-looking Chevy. So Chevy Camaro ZL1, nice. And obviously the front, from the top, it's black all the way down to the bottom where it's green. So here's a good 360 view. And that'll be it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching. Y hasta luego.